Social media marketing is a great way to promote your business and achieve a variety of goals, from building a dedicated following to driving sales on your website. It also provides valuable insights into your customers' social activity. There are lots of different social networks out there. First, you'll need to join and establish your presence in your chosen networks. Each one is different, but there are some common elements. Social networks for businesses can be a little different than for individuals. For example, your personal Facebook account is for family, but the platform also offers pages specifically designed for businesses. Before you sign up, check if the network distinguishes between businesses and individuals. And make sure you set up the right one. Once figured out, it's time to sign up. Use your business email address so you can keep your personal and professional accounts separate. Next, start loading information: your business name, description, address, email, and phone number. These are all pretty standard. You may even upload an image of your business's logo. Many networks use this to create a profile page or homepage within the network. Different networks offer different things, so explore your options. Remember the tone of voice and the business goals you want to support. Now start your social media campaigns for mobile. We'll look at targeting options and guidelines for creating mobile social ads. There are 3 key steps to mobile social media advertising. First, determine which social media sites you want to use. Social networks serve different purposes, like personal relationships, content sharing focused on images or videos, and professional networking. Once you understand the network's objectives and the people there, you can choose the places most relevant to your business. Then take advantage of audience targeting features. Solutions like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook offer various options to reach the right people. Finally, create ads with mobile in mind. People visit social sites on mobile devices, so messages must be optimized for small screens. Let's say you own a plumbing company in London. You want to raise awareness using targeted advertising on social media. You decide to run mobile ads on Facebook to drive traffic to your site, targeting people specifically living in London. You also target male homeowners and refine your group to include men interested in home improvement and plumbing problems. Social media sites have lots of user information, allowing you to reach a very specific group in a very specific area. Next, create eye-catching ads for mobile. Since screens are smaller than desktops, it's best to keep your messages short and simple, or choose image-based ads, like a carousel ad to showcase your line of drains and pipes. People can scroll to see all your products. Users can click on an image to be taken to your website. So let's recap. Choose the right sites, then target your intended audience. Finally, create impactful ads for mobile. A well-oiled social mobile campaign could really help boost your advertising efforts. Then use the display planner to make a list of 5 mobile sites or apps where your audience might be on the display network. If you found value in these breakdowns, subscribe to the channel. We go deep on the math behind marketing every week. Thanks for watching.